Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss that one of the topics of the life science natural resources. Before discussing natural resources, we should be aware about what environment is. In simple words, we say the surroundings or the conditions in which person, animal or plant lives or operates. We called it as an environment. It acts as a life supporting unit for all living organisms. It provides us everything like food, water, air. We can say both living and non living things. It is important to us for our survival. After that, we will discuss what resources are. Resource are the sources or the materials that have got value and are used to satisfy one's needs. There are few characteristics of resources. First is utility. Utility means satisfaction one derives by consuming or consumption of any commodity. Value, every resource has its value. It may be in terms of money value and other values. And the other characteristics is its depletion or consumption, with which speed we are consuming or depleting the resources. Then the types of resources. The resources have been classified in various ways. Here we will discuss biotic and abiotic resources. When we talk of biotic, bio means life, and we say biotic resources those which have either life or those which are formed from living things like plants and animals. Abiotic or non-living things are those which don't have life or have not been formed from living things like coal, petroleum, school. These are non-living things or abiotic resources which are present in the environment. When these resources, biotic, abiotic, interact, they provide us life-supporting conditions. Biotic factors, again, both biotic and abiotic factors interact to meet the basic needs of every life forms, from insect, from all animals to plants. After that, abiotic factors are already. Abiotic means non-living factors that surrounds us. It includes like climatic factors, topographic factors, water bodies like soil. These in or we can say water. These are all are abiotic components of the environment. After that, we will discuss what natural resources are. Natural resource or those resources which in nature has bestowed us or supplies from nature, everything on or around the earth that we use for survival, we call them natural resources. Now see natural resources: water bodies, forests, coal, oil, iron, air, water, glaciers, sunlight. Each and everything uh, are natural resources. Some resources which has been made by humans or man, they called man-made resources. Another classification of these resources are renewable and non-renewable resources. When we talk of renewable, those which can be renewed relatively short amount of time. We these renewable resources are replenished again and again, like plants, animals, water, air, soil. We must be wise about how we use these atoms, because overuse can destroy them or pollute these resources. Then is a non-renewable, which cannot be replenished or replaced in a short amount of time, because they are made from that plants and animals, which takes millions of years. Once they have been used, they are, we can say, these non-renewable renewable resources are somewhat exhaustible, which get exhausted once we use them. They are gone forever, like fossil fuels, oil, natural gas, coal, minerals. These are the examples of non-renewable resources. Then another way to classify resources are exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible resources, those which are available in limited quantity, and once they are used, they are gone forever. Exhaustible. like minerals, fossil fuels, soil. These existing resources gets exhausted by the human activities because overuse of all these resources can lead to their destruction, or more consumption can lead to pollution. Then inexhaustible resources, those which are available in the environment in unlimited quantity, they are not likely to get exhausted by human activities. No matter how much we use, we can never run out of these resources like sunlight, air, wind, ocean, tides. These all are examples of inexhaustible which are present in an unlimited quantity. After that, the resources of earth, you might have seen, you might have heard about these resources like air, water, soil, minerals, living organisms. All are the resources of the earth. The layer of air is called atmosphere. The layer of earth, it is called a lithosphere. The part of the water on the earth, it is called heterosphere. All these three layers, earth, water, and air, forms biosphere. Now what is biosphere? Bio means life, sphere means area. We can say in simple words, biosphere is that area that supports the life. Our unit comprised of Earth's crust and the atmosphere in which we live. It is basically divided into three layers: atmosphere, heterosphere, and lithosphere.